Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to make your Qolibri look a little bit nicer. So here is what Qolibri looks like by default. The color scheme is pretty bad, especially the color of the text right here. It makes it a little bit hard to read. Also the fonts is kind of ugly. And so I'm just going to show you guys how to make it look a little bit nicer. So basically, in order to change how Qolibri looks, you go over right here to where it says .css, and you click this little arrow and you click the first one, Style Sheets. And then here you can edit the CSS to make the formatting look however you would like. Now, if you actually know CSS, then you don't need my help. You're going to know how to edit this code right here to make it look exactly how you would want. But this is just a quick tutorial for people who don't know any CSS and would still just like to make their Qolibri look a little bit nicer. So I don't really know that much CSS either, but I just changed the font and color scheme and it made it a little bit better. And so if you want to apply my color scheme, then just download this zip file that I have a link to in the description. Get the text file and the font file. First, just open up the font file and then click install right here. It's just going to add another Japanese font to your computer that looks pretty nice, so that then we can tell Qolibri to use that font. And then open up the text file, just copy all the text, Control A, Control C, go back over to the CSS and just completely replace all the text that's there with the text you copied. And click OK, and now your Qolibri should have a nicer font and a little bit nicer color scheme. And it's not that I think this color scheme is amazing, but I just played around with it for a few minutes and found that this looked a lot nicer than the default, in my personal opinion. So if you think this looks good, then go ahead and do that. And that's it. So hope that was useful. See you later, guys.